Start with a slip knot and chain 28 plus 3 chains extra for the turning chain, or else you can start off with any multiple of 4 plus 3 chains extra for the turning chain. Next on 4 double crochets into the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, this one. That's one shell stitch made. Skip the next 3 stitches and into the next stitch make 4 double crochets. Skip the next 3 stitches and into the next stitch repeat the same 4 double crochets. That's one shell stitch. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. Skip 3 into the next stitch 4 double crochets. Three, 4 double crochets. Skip 3 and into the last stitch make 1 double crochet. Now make the turning chain. Chain 2, insert hook into the second chain from the hook and pull up a loop. Turn your work, insert hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. That's a turning chain made and this will be counted as 1 double crochet. Next on 1 double crochet is already made. Now we will be working only into the shell stitches. Skip the first stitch and into the next stitch, the second stitch, make 1 front post double crochet. Yarn over, insert hook into the front post of the second stitch, a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Now the next stitch we'll be making in between these 2 stitches, that is the second and the third stitch. Make 1 double crochet V stitch in between the stitches, 1 double crochet, insert hook in between the whole stitch, chain 1 and a double crochet into the same stitch. That's one V stitch made. The next stitch, that is the third stitch, make 1 front post double crochet, yarn over, insert hook into the front post, pull through 2 and pull through. This is the front post double crochet into the second stitch. This is the V stitch in between the 2 stitches, that is the second and the third stitch, and this is the front post double crochet on the third stitch. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. We will be working only into the shell stitches. This is the first stitch and this is the second stitch. 1 front post double crochet into the second stitch, 1 V stitch in between the second and the third stitch, that is 1 double crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet into the same stitch, 1 front post double crochet into the next stitch, that is the third stitch, now the next set of stitches 1, 2, this is the second stitch, 1 front post double crochet, 1 V-stitch in between these 2 stitches, second and third, 1 double crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet into the same stitch, and 1 front post double crochet into the third stitch. Now continue with the stitches. 1 front post double crochet, 1 V-stitch and a front post double crochet into the next stitch. Make the last set of stitches. And into the last stitch, this is the last stitch, make 1 double crochet. Make the turning chain, chain 2, insert it into the second chain and pull up a loop, turn your work, insert it into the first stitch and pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2. That's a turning chain made and 1 double crochet made. Now just keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. 1 double crochet is already made. 1 double crochet is already made. We will be working only into the shell stitches. 1 front post double crochet into the second stitch, this one. 1 V-stitch in between the second and the third stitch. That's 1 double crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet into the same stitch. And next 1 front post double crochet into the next stitch. Now continue with the stitches. One double crochet into the last stitch. Make the turning chain. Now continue with the next round. This is how the pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.